Hello everyone, welcome back to Multifix. Is your Epson L3251 printer showing service required, ink pad full, or those annoying red lights blinking, and it's not printing? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes, using the WIC Reset Tool. No service center, no extra cost. Step 1. Download WIC Reset Tool. First, open Google and type Inkchip WIC Reset Tool. Click the first link, that's Then, click WIC from the top menu. Choose your language and click Download for free. Wait a few seconds. Done. Easy, right? Step 2. Buy activation key. Now, you'll need an activation key to reset your printer. Click on Buy Activation Key. Select your package. You can buy one or multiple keys together. Before checkout, use my coupon code, Multifix10, to get 10% off. Once you complete the order, check your email inbox, and you'll receive the reset key right there. Step 3. Connect your printer. Next, turn on your Epson L3251 printer. Make sure your USB cable or Wi-Fi connection is okay. If your printer doesn't appear in the software, check if the driver is installed properly. If not, install it. Link is in the description box below. Now open the WIC software and select your printer model. Step 4. Reset Waste Ink Counter. Click Read Waste Counter. You'll see your ink pad percentage. If it's near 100%, that means your printer needs a reset. Click Reset Waste Counter. Paste the reset key you got in your email and hit OK. Wait for a few seconds. Now, power off and on your printer again. And that's it. Look, the red lights are gone. Your Epson L3251 is now fully ready to print again. Perfect. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Multifix for more printer solutions. And don't forget, use the coupon code Multifix10 for your 10% discount.